Okay, guys, today you'll be doing an Excel spreadsheet, and this is what I'm giving Monday, so if you get done with it, then that's less work you have to do Monday, okay? Okay, now you're doing commission rates by percentage, okay, is how this is going to work. So you go to open a Google Sheet up, and on A1 you type in sales made, okay? So put the thing down on A1, type in sales made. Okay, B2, type in commission, or just type in rate. Just type in rate. Okay, now sales made, you got to be careful. You go from 0 to 5,000 in the first one. So 0 / 5,000. Put dollar signs. So shift 4, 0. Then 5,000. Now go to A3, but you don't go 5,000. You want to go $5,000, 0.01 to 7,000. And also another thing. Guys, you have to extend this A1 so it's wider. You put your mouse up there and extend that so it's wider. You should not go into another cell, okay? You got to extend that so it's wider. Okay, and then 4, you're going to go 7,000. You can totally see what you're going to type in. Okay, 7,000, 0.01 to 9,000. Okay, and then 9,000.01 to 15,000, and then 15,000.01 up. Okay, and then under the rate, you type in your percentages. So 2%, and you got to hit the percent key. Okay, so 2 in percent is shift 5. So 2%. 3.5%, 4%, okay, 5%, and 6%, okay. Now I want you to go down to A9, so A9, okay, and what you're going to type is sales, okay, so sales. And next to sales in B9, because we want to use B9 as our reference cell. Just punch in 12,000. 12,000 is going to be the one we use, so 12,000. So shift for 12,000. Okay, now go down to A10, right below it, and type in earnings. Okay. We don't know the earnings, that's what we're going to figure out. Okay. All right, now, got that. Now you go down to A12, okay, and you type in category, category, and then go to the side B12, type in lower, lower, and go to the cell next to it and type in upper, upper, okay, and then percent, just hit shift 5, okay. That's all I need. Now you need to extend the E and F columns so they're much wider. Okay, they need to be wide. In E, what you type in is earnings through previous category. Okay, so just earnings through previous PRV CAT, C-A-T. Earnings through previous CAT. Or no, not earnings, sales through previous CAT. So go replace earnings and type in sales, S-A-L-E-S. And this one's earnings through previous CAT, okay? Okay, now your category, you can just copy and paste this starting with A2, Okay, copy and paste, start with A2. Here's how you copy and paste on Excel. You hit Control C, that's copy, and then paste, go under category, and hit Control V. Thanks, Jasmine, you taught me that, okay? Then the same thing pops up. Now, it's smart here to do your uppers first. So you just 5,000's the upper here, 7,000, 9,000, 15,000, then you don't have an upper for the last one. So go under upper and do that first. So $5,000, keep putting the dollar sign. 7,000, 9,000, 15,000, and you're going to leave the last one empty. Now, here's what you do with lower. You're going to put 0 in the first one. And then here's what you're going to do to shorten the process. You are going to hit equals, and you're going to take C13 equals C13. So it takes the $5,000 plus 0.01. Okay. Now, at the beginning, it just says 5,000, but here's what you need to do. You see up here in your toolbar, there's this 0, 0 right here with a right arrow next to the 1, 2, 3, the one right next to 1, 2, 3 left. You need to hit that and keep hitting it. Sorry, click on 5,000. Click on 5,000 right there. And you need to keep hitting that until you see the 0.01 come up. Okay, now it's up. Now it says 5,000.01. Now you're going to drag and drop. Okay, and now we're good. Okay, percent. Well, we have our percents right here. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to hit Control C. And then go where I want it, and then Control V. Okay, right there. Now, sales through previous categories. You don't put anything next to the 2%. You need to go next to your 3.50%. Okay? And all you need to do is hit equals, and the earnings, the sales through the previous, the upper limit was 5,000. Okay, 5,000, and that is in C13. So just equals C13. 5,000, then just drag and drop. Okay, now earnings. Again, don't put anything in the first one. Go to the second one. And here's earnings. You look up here. The first cell is equals C13 times D13. Okay, so equals C13 times D13. So it's going to take the $5,000 times 0.02. Makes sense. Hit equals, should come up as 100. Okay, now the next one's different. Equals F14. So equals F14. So it's going to take this and add what's more. Okay? And then parentheses. And then E15 minus E14. So E15 minus E14. Okay, close the parentheses. So it's going to take these numbers and subtract them. And it's going to take that times the next percent, which is in D14. So the 3.5, D14 times. You have to hit times after the parentheses. Shift 8. So again, let me repeat this formula. F14 plus parentheses E15 minus E14. Close it, hit Shift 8, and then D14, just what it says. Okay, should have came up with 170. That's a 170 there. Now drag and drop. Okay, now go up to your earnings, okay, and you enter the formula from hell, okay. So equals lookup equals LOO. As soon as you see that pop up, click on it. And then B9, so B9, comma, after you, and then highlight the whole table. The whole table, though, starts here under the lower column and through here, Okay, it's got to be those ones. You should not highlight these up here or these to the side. So it says B13 semicolon F17, close the parentheses. Plus parentheses B9 minus lookup, so minus, then lookup. Okay, and then B9 again. Anytime you hit lookup, you're going to hit B9 because it takes that number to this table, comma, and then highlight the first four. Okay. Sorry, I missed that. Highlight your first four. Now you need to hit two close parentheses after that. So hit that once, twice. You have to do that, okay? Times, so shift 8, lookup, parentheses, and then B9, comma, and now you're only going to highlight the first three, so it takes it times the percentage, okay? Close it, hit equals, and I got $400 is my earnings. Now the cool thing about this is you can replace 12,000 with any number, 20,000, 11,000, it always gives you the earnings, okay? Just like that. So 12,000, actually just to shoot, yeah, 12,000. Now if you hit 20,000, so if the sales were 20,000, money 20. Okay, now I know I made $850. A guy who sells $20,000 worth of goods makes $850. But now go back and switch it back to 12,000. So 12,000. Okay, 400. All right, so I would say I hope it's been informative. And if you need help, wait till Monday and I'll help you on it.